Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Just hit that subscribe button. It will actually take you seconds to do that. And also, if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Just click on that thumbs up icon, and also you can click on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. As you do that, God bless you. Today I would like to show you how you can omit a token from your Solana wallet. That is, you can delete a particular token, especially those tokens that are showing zero balance in your wallet. Sometimes, especially for those people that always do airdrops, if you participate in a particular airdrop, sometimes you might be asked to mint the token so that you can receive the airdrop token in your wallet. But maybe after some months or some weeks, you realize that the token that you minted is still showing zero balance in your wallet, or you realize that the project is actually a scam project and you want to delete that token. And in the process of minting the token, you would have paid a gas fee of 0.00203 or thereabouts. 0.00203 sol was the minting gas fee. So in order for you to omit the token and you get your gas fee back, so this is what the video is actually going to show you. So just try and watch this video to the very last end. So just make sure that you are logging into your SOLLET wallet. As you can see, I'm logging into my own, and make sure that you are using Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. So when you are done with that, the link that I'm going to use, I'm going to drop it in the description box, and also I'm displaying the link on the screen presently, so you can actually get the link from the description box, or you can write it down as I'm displaying it on the screen right now. So I've actually copied the link on my phone clipboard. So all I have to do now is to click on this search box, then I'll paste the link here. But when you paste the link, just make sure that you scroll to the end, to the start of the link. There is this thing that you have to add, which is JavaScript. When you copy the link, it will be among the link, but when you paste it, it will not paste this JavaScript with it. So make sure that you come to the start of the link and then you put it JavaScript there. So and then you load it. So immediately you do that, you don't have to do another thing. Just come to this the token that you want to delete. So the token that I want to delete now is this TBX. This is the token that I want to delete. I actually minted the token, but I realized that the project is actually a scam project. So I want to delete the token so that I can get my sol back. And you can see the sol that I'm having presently is 0.0014 sol. So once you paste that this JavaScript link, sometimes it might ask you to connect your wallet. Don't worry, you can connect your wallet, and sometimes it might not ask you to connect. You can see that it didn't ask me to connect my own wallet, but immediately you paste it and you load the link, you come to the token that you want to delete. When you click on it, you see a delete button there. Normally this delete button is not always there before, but if you use the JavaScript link, the delete button will show up. So I can then click on this delete button, and then it will ask me to delete. I'll click on this delete here, then I'll wait for it to be deleted. You can see the token has been deleted, transaction confirmed. So if I check my Solana back, you can see that my sol has the amount that I used to mint before, it has returned back to this place. Before I was having 0.0014, but now I'm having 0.0034. So that means the sol that I used for minting has been returned back into my wallet. So that's just a simple way to delete any tokens that is showing zero balance in your SOLLET wallet or Solana wallet. So that's just the simple way. Thank you so much once again for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again, and also like this video, you can also click on that bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much. See you again later. Bye.